Hello, I'm going to show you how to make reminders with VBS Script, Visual Basic Script. And this can be done with any text program, preferably Notepad is the easiest to do this with, or Metapad if you want to use that. But Notepad is a default program on Microsoft computers, and so is Visual Basic Script on Microsoft computers. So Notepad would be the best choice. This, if you are going to make the reminders, you have to have at the top of your reminder program. These are different versions of reminders that you can set up, which are simply if statements to say, if this is the day, do this particular message to show up. Now, the first version is a month and date setup. If the month and date is right, then to do it. Now, to show this message. Now, this is optional. This allows you to say if it's an event that happens on a regular basis and you want to count how many times it happens. So essentially, let's say it's a birthday, you want the message to contain the age of that person as well. So remind, or if it's an anniversary, remind you that. Remind me how many anniversaries have been. How many. So what you do is you put this in. Do not use the optional part. Just to this part here. And then that would make this word here a reference, and you can put that in without quotes, and then you have to use ands to join them, and it will cause it to show up that in the message. The second version is if you want it to be a month, date, and year, so not a yearly event, just to happen once, then to use this one here, which you input your date and your message. It also has a reference option, but not as likely. They use it since it's supposed to be a one-time thing. Um, this one is if you want it to be monthly. So say on the 12th is a billing day or a billing cycle or whatever you want to be able to remember that. So you type in the date and the message. It also have a reference option, which I doubt you use with this one. This one, because it's a billing thing. This one is the day of the week. So let's say it's a weekly thing, like every Sunday you want to do this, and you want to remind you of that. You can also do that by using the W to represent the week, and the day of the week you put in here. But the day of the week isn't a text; it is a number, and the numbers are represented by 1 is like Sunday, and Monday is 2, and so on to Saturday, which is 7. So that's how it operates. So you have to use those numbers. The numbers, not the actual Word file. And because the reminder, you want it to automatically scan to see if you have anything on that day when you turn the computer on. So what you have to do is you have to put the file, go to Start, All Programs, and you have to put the file in your startup folder, and that will cause it to automatically run every time your computer logs on, and that will allow the file to work as a reminder. And when you save it, always save it as .vbs, or else it'll just be a regular text file, not a program. And that is how you do it.